Hello everyone, it's Darling here, and today I'm actually going to be doing a review on this water flosser that I bought off Amazon. I'm not quite sure for how much it retails for. I think it was like $29 or $39 if I'm not mistaken, but I'll go ahead and put that along with the seller that I used down in the description box down below. This is actually by the brand Fairywill, as you can see. It says it right there. And it is a really good water flosser. It comes with the on and off button, and then it also comes with different modes. You can do clean, soft, or massage. I've used clean mostly. It also comes with a charger, so you just unplug it, so you don't have to worry about batteries and all that. And the charger's like this, you just put it in there, and then you do need a brick or any USB cord adapter that you can charge it with. You can put it on a computer, whatever, it doesn't matter. As long as you can charge it. And then you want to always make sure you put this back so that water doesn't get in that compartment. Okay, so the first time that I bought this, it was like really crazy. I turned it on after filling it up with water, and it shot everywhere. So make sure that it's in your mouth when you do turn it on, because I made that mistake and my husband came in here and laughed at me because he thought it was hilarious. I have chased people around the house squirting them with this. I'm not gonna lie, but that's another story. It was really fun though. So it comes, this is how you fill it up. You just flip this open right there and you fill it up with water, and then you just close it and it's sealed very well. And it comes with 8 different nozzles. You just pop them right off. Hold on. Ooh. Pop that part off. Oh, see? Oh my gosh. I on accident turned it on. Be careful not to touch the on and off button. So they pop right off, if I could get it. Okay, apparently I don't know how to do this. Oh, you press this button right there and it pops right off. I forgot that. Yes, press this button before you try to pull that off. And like I said, it came with 8 different heads, and it comes with rubber bands also to go with the heads. As you can see, it comes with that box. And I've already opened one. So I thought that was really cool, and I'm gonna go ahead and turn it on and show you how it works. You just turn it on and just spit it out. Okay, so I have eaten ribs and chicken and used this after I brushed my teeth and got all the leftover pieces of meat out of my teeth, and it just works great. It's really good for kids to encourage them to floss. Kids love water, and my kids hate flossing with regular floss, so this was really good. They actually use it too, which is why it's a little chewed on right there. But it's really good. The first time I did floss with it, I did bleed a little, but I bleed way more when I use the regular ones just because it tears up my gums. But yes, I really do like this water flosser. That is why I made this video. I wanted to share it with you guys. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye, God bless.